Hi, I'm Alicia with RVH Lifestyles, and I am so excited to be here at the National HDT Rally in Hutchinson, Kansas. And I am with Kerstin, who is from Southern California. Welcome to the rally, but most importantly, welcome to RVH Lifestyles, where you, from what I understand, got to drive a truck for the very first time. Tell me how that went.
Oh my gosh, it was exciting. At first I was so nervous. I was intimidated by the sheer size of the trucks. And once you get in there and with Gregg's calm demeanor and his instructions, it was awesome. It was wonderful. It drives like a big truck. I mean, it's amazing. It's amazing. I loved it. I'm hooked.
You're hooked. Oh my gosh. Okay, so does that mean you'll be getting a truck and an RV at some point?
Yes. Oh yes. As soon as we can. There's a couple here I take right now. But yeah, this was our last. We've been researching, and we've been stalking Gregg on all his YouTube. We've seen them all, and this was our last step before we really take the leap and purchase a Volvo.
Well, I know one thing that RVH Lifestyles is really good about is preparing you for that drive. And so one of the things you did that day, like you said, Gregg talks in his calm demeanor, and then he walks you through what buttons to pull and how. And from what I understand, he does that for all of his customers.
It was awesome. I really
It was awesome.
Every time I think about it, I smile. So I look through the pictures on my phone. It's like, oh, this is great. I can't believe I did this.
It is kind of empowering for a woman, isn't it?
Yes.
Here I am. I'm a short stature, and I told my husband we are not getting a big truck to pull our trailer. That's silly. That's nonsense. And then I got behind the wheel, and I went, oh my gosh, this is utterly amazing, right?
It's like just a regular truck. It's not the intimidation factor. As soon as you get rolling, the intimidation factor, it goes away. It's like with the sloped hood, and you don't feel like you're driving this big machine. Gregg also said, just look where you want to go and watch that was it. It just drives. It's wonderful. Yeah, it's very. And so I felt empowered.
Yeah, isn't that great? Well, what are you going to do with your truck once you get
The
it?
plans evolve as we started this whole journey. It was with his 3500 dually Dodge truck. We started with a 35-foot trailer. Now suddenly we're like, what do we do with the bikes? And then so it's evolved, or it's just been a journey for these. We've been planning this forever, but these last couple of years we've really gotten serious. And once we discovered the HDT, that was perfect. It was like, oh my God, that's it. We can take everything with us.
That is the answer for a lot of people.
It is. It's been a perfect. It was like, this is it. This is perfect. And we're not the only ones who, that's why this rally's been amazing.
Yeah, and the rally is amazing. I encourage everyone to come to the National HDT Rally here every October. I encourage everyone to go see Gregg, Jack, and Mark at RVH Lifestyles, because one of the things that I like, and we would have done this had we not gone a different route, is we would have gotten the garage set up on the back of the bed of the truck. I mean, a lot of men still want to carry their toys with them.
Yes.
So and then there's also storage opportunities for the homemaker too. I know a lot of women who will carry their sewing machines with them and stuff. But well, Kerstin, I'm so thankful that you were here and I got to meet you. I'm glad you got to come to the rally. Do you have any parting words?
I just want to say how thankful I am. Everybody has been super, super friendly. When we first day we got here, we were just driving through. We had just arrived from the airport, and they just said, come on, park your car and come out here and talk to us. And we talked for hours. Everybody here has been a wealth of information, extremely friendly. I mean, we've been invited to so many trailers. Just come and let's show, and it's been just information overload, but it's so appreciated. It makes the decision a lot easier.
Doesn't it?
Yes.
Well, great. I'm glad you're here. And for everybody out there, you need to come see us at the National HDT Rally in October. And you also need to talk to RVH Lifestyles. I'm Alicia, and I'll see you next time.